now, sweetheart? Do you? Do you? She's still scared. It's too much.
Oh, oh. See, she's starting to trust him.
George, you're gonna have to bring her home. Her home.
She's got some Roddy in her. We don't know. They're mutts. They're mixed with God knows what out there. She was picked up from the Everglades. We picked them up in the Miami Everglades.
Usually we don't know their exact age. We just have to know exact age. This right here is where they start.
You're fine.
He's supposed to be feeling pretty yucky right now. He's feeling okay.
Something in one of our winter fundraisers. Oh, there's a toy.
Doesn't like the toy. Yes. No chafing dishes.
What's the guesstimate? How many we have? 2,000?
I have no idea. Only one person, I think, knows how many are in here. And she can be bought. She's down there. $5 though. You guys are doing great things.
Thank you. We try. What, are you kidding? This is so nice. Like, you don't understand what this
We
means.
have a lot of passionate dog people here.
Thank you so much.
What?
Where's Leslie? Where's Leslie? Where'd she go?
Some sort of looks like my daughter.
Hi.
I think you said, looks like your dog.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's it.
I know. Exactly.
It's a great sized dog. That's what my daughter's is a border collie mix, and it's so big. It's a great size. Really, really good.
Cherise,
Oh, you guys are doing wonderful stuff. Did she have some work done back there?
He's under heartworm treatment right now, yeah. Because he was left outside and tied to a trailer hitch in the yard.
I had a Belgian Shepherd that guy had it. Oh my God! But how old is he?
a year.
He's one. How's he doing?
He's great. He's doing
How's
great.
he doing with the treatment?
Really
Well,
great.
they've advanced. That was like over 25 years ago.
They gave him one shot. He has to have 3. It's the Imidacide, and it's the strongest. But he was
God bless you people. I mean,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I
God
get
bless all of you.
emotional.
We do
I
too.
get
We
so
cry every
emotional when I hear
day.
about what people do to dogs. I feel like
horrible.
taking them, because I go out in the Everglades and go hiking all the time. In fact, I'm going this weekend, and it's like, and when you see a stray animal out there, it's like, well, cats are, they can do all right, but dogs,
They don't stand a
You're
chance.
right. The cats can do
But the cats
okay.
get eaten. They get eaten.
oh, by coyotes or
Everything. The
Yeah,
dogs are starving.
Yeah, and they're
So the dogs are going after the people's livestock,
Now you're only seeing
and
the dogs.
they're shooting the dogs.
yeah, I know.
A lot of them are hiding out there. A lot of them are dying in the bushes.
They get bit by mosquitoes.
They're all coming in with heartworm, Ehrlichia, Giardia. I mean, every disease under the sun, you know?
Are you on the Everglades page?
No.
Facebook, are you on Facebook?
No, I'm in the Florida Trail Association. We do hiking. In fact, I'm maintaining a trail this weekend.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
going to be out
In the Everglades.
Big cycles. Where did you find the
I would
dog?
like somebody to rub my back.